we are doing a treasure hunt for the MIT campus.
So I'm Vyom Shah.
Zareen Kedia.
Zavan Joshi.
My name is Bhavya Goyal.
My name is Rohan.
My name is Dev.
My name is Kiara Rajkaya.
My project is to detect fractures in X-ray models.
My project is an AI model that predicts how susceptible different parts of a city are to a pandemic.
I hope to augment the abilities of today's firefighters.
It's an AI-based energy price predictor.
It's an AI end-to-end college guidance platform.
Right now I'm trying to figure out the data sets that I'm going to use.
So let's just say I wasn't a very techie person, but now I feel like everyone is working so hard towards something and I want to do something as well.
I was reviewing my idea, and after speaking to professors as well, I realized that it wasn't a very feasible idea. And I had to change it that day, and that's a pretty late time to change it.
So yesterday's conversation with Professor Ramesh was good because I just found out that my project isn't that good actually, and he gave some insightful thoughts and we're working on it.
Keep your hands up. Like I made lots of progress. I learned
We gonna take it, 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 gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna.
So we got the unique opportunity of like visiting Sunday AI, the MIT club. And it was quite inspiring because you have experts from every domain physically possible.
During that course, I was able to understand truly how much and how efficient these people can be with their work.
But just seeing how everyone's idea is now a full-fledged idea and a full-fledged product, being able to interact with those products, it's absolutely inspiring.
Everyone will tell you stuff that's important and they want to help you because this is their field of study they've worked on for years, and use their experience to help you.
We gonna take it, 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 gonna take it,
So that day we had a full hackathon from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. After we worked with the hackers, and I got the front end of my project working.
So first time I trained my model, after extracting features and creating my data set, I got an extremely high error percentage and I felt quite defeated. But then with some help from my mentor, I was able to reach a high accuracy.
After my presentation, I asked one of the judges where I could have improved, and he told me exactly where I went wrong, and that's one of my biggest learnings.
When I was presenting my project to him, he asked many valuable questions like, who is this project mainly for? And based on my answers, he gave me feedback on what I should do and what I can add to the project.
My prompts to ChatGPT used to be just very bland, but now I realized how I could prompt it very differently. It's called prompt engineering.
It was quite inspiring to see how people work together in this situation, because it's not just about you doing your own thing, sitting in your own room on your laptop. It's a really interactive experience and a wholesome experience where you have to end up, if you want to make a change, you have to end up networking, you have to end up talking to people.
in which teach a class here. It's a very popular class on AI. And the first few weeks, by the way, this room hosts 100 people, but usually have a couple of hundred people who apply to my class. So the first few weeks, people are sitting on the floors. So you should consider yourself very fortunate to actually have a seat.
You all could be leaders at this moment. And part of that leadership could be meeting people in this room and combining and be more than the sum of your parts.
I had to train my model for 3 days. I was sitting in the night all the way until like 3 a.m. waiting for the model to show that one tick mark. It was extremely fun and I enjoyed this entire journey.
The most inspiring moment that I had was when my model actually gave a good accuracy, because before that point it was giving me like 159% error or some like inhumane numbers, but then I like cracked my code.
And up till that point I'd only seen lines and lines of code, but then when I could actually see a tangible product that had come out of my hard work, that was like a very inspiring.
Till day before yesterday I wasn't able to load the 3D visualization, and day before yesterday I was able to load my first 3D visualization, and after that it's just been smooth.
My biggest moment honestly was a couple of days ago with two of my friends, Shivain and Hugo. We were sitting late in the common room at BUDOM walking till like 3 a.m.
We were all stuck at the same problem, and surprisingly at the same time all of our codes worked.
And I can tell you the whole BUDOM probably heard us cheering.
I have a lot of different mindsets now, especially when it comes to approaching problems, approaching entrepreneurship, approaching ideas.
Truly realize how strong AI is, and now that I have this knowledge, I think it's going to be something which I'm definitely going to use to my advantage.
Always be open-minded and take the feedback of your teachers, but especially of your peers.
Everything here is a learning. Just the architecture in Boston, going through MIT, walking the walls of MIT, it's a true immersion.
There's a bunch of mentors here and a bunch of people that can help you, so try and get their help as much as possible. Like you're here for a reason. Like if you're just going to code by yourself, you can do that at home. So.
AI is not just a tool that you can use to assist you in other things. It's a complete career.
It's a great place to expose yourself, and the mentor support here is incredible. You can develop your own AI-based startup in the span of 2 weeks. If I was doing this at home, I would not be able to, because I do not have the guidance required.
I'm in the best university in the world, and the college campuses, the way the professors came and taught us, it has been like, it's really exciting and gives you new insights of the world and how the world functions.
Thank you.